Well, today is Friday, and we're going to be pouring the walls. Now, what's interesting about the walls is it may be hard to see, but there's a little Sharpie down here. This little mark, if you can see it in the video, there's a Sharpie, and you'll see them all the way down. And what those do is tell people where to pour the wall. And there's the rebar, which is for the electrical ground rod, and part of the crew is here already. And you see the truck behind the dirt. They're doing it today and early in the morning, because it's going to get really hot and humid here. Heat index is going to be about 104, and spending a little time with David, apparently they've had a number of people go down with heat exhaustion. So in order to avoid that, they start early. And I've learned this is concrete, not cement. Everybody else knows that except me. Cement is in concrete. All right.